Meet Sumati. With over 20 plus years of operating experience across Amazon, Intel, and HP. She's the woman behind the strategy and go to market for AI and smart home, and the launch and scale of the familiar voices you hear for Alexa experiences like Turn on the Lights and Alexa Guard. Now, her new passion is around Ladle. She's CEO and founder, and it's an AI inspired powered sous chef, and she's already getting thousands of users.
And here I'm building a platform worldwide, connecting with different people. I can think things, I can plan things, I can build things. But then once I put things into action, I have to trust that something is going to come back to me. I'm the kind of person, I've been an operator for 20 plus years. I put a plan A, B, C in place. But the truth is, the universe has to respond. At some point, it's not in my control. And I'm constantly amazed how much it does. And I think the thing that I'm learning is to when to give up control. And I think that's the biggest thing that you have to learn, or I'm learning, is I can put things in motion and then I hope somebody else, whether it's somebody in Germany or somebody in Japan or somebody wherever is connecting to that. And then there's a return, there's an exchange that results in something. This has been my biggest learning in the last couple of years and has been very fulfilling for me because I think oftentimes I end up creating something bigger and better than I could have ever imagined.